Hi and welcome to the Malat cookery channel. So in this video I'm going to be making a really delicious but very simple egg fried rice. So this egg fried rice dish is to accompany a satay chicken dish which I've just done. Decided to make two separate videos, so one for the satay chicken, one for the egg fried rice. If you want to know how to make the satay chicken to go with this egg fried rice, click in the right hand corner of the screen and I'll put a link to that particular video there. As usual, a full list of ingredients will be given at the end of the video. I'm going to do the ingredients, the amount of ingredients for 2 adult portions. Also started to do the ingredients list at the end of the video in a format where you can screenshot and print that list off if you want to. Let's have a look at those ingredients now then, and anything else we're going to need for today. So the ingredients list for this recipe, I've got some boiled rice which I made last night, drained, rinsed it under cold water, and then into this bowl and into the fridge as quick as you possibly can. So literally within 15 minutes of it being cooked, drained, and then obviously in the fridge. If you leave it too long stood outside at room temperature, you might have some issues with it. So I've got some boiled rice, got egg which has got a little bit of milk in just to loosen it up a bit, which has been obviously beaten. Got some salt, some white pepper, MSG, light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. So we've got some vegetable oil in a well seasoned wok. Just going to heat that up. Make sure the inside of the wok is coated in the oil, and then it's quite important to drain off any excess. We don't want this rice to be too greasy. Going to bring this up to a high temperature but not too high, because the first thing we're going to cook is the egg. You don't want the wok too hot. Once we're happy that the oil's out, next thing to do, put the egg into the wok. And we're just going to cook this for a minute or so. We're basically looking for want of a better term, scrambled egg. Okay, so we're going to reserve this to one side. A little bit more oil in the wok. Make sure that's nicely coated on the inside. And pour off any excess. I want to get this wok nice and hot now, so it's smoking. Right, in with our rice. Okay, should be enough. And we're going to cook this rice thoroughly now for at least 3 or 4 minutes. So you see how the rice is separated rather than being in clumps? That's because I cooked the rice last night and then it was into the fridge overnight. Nice sort of dry atmosphere in the fridge, even though obviously this has been covered. I've made the mistake in the past of cooking the rice about an hour before I decide to do the fried rice, and it just isn't dry enough, so it clumps up. So if you're having rice that's clumping in the wok, then it's either been overcooked or it's just still too wet. Next thing to go in is the MSG. You don't have to use MSG if you don't want to, but I take all my recipes directly from the chefs in the restaurant, so if they use it, I use it. I've obviously done research on MSG as well, and despite what used to be said about it, I think it's a natural product anyway, so it's safe. A little bit of white pepper, not too much. A little bit of salt. Going to use the dark soy sauce as just to colour the rice, so not too much. You can always add a bit more in if it's not to the colour you like. So this is a slight variation on what I would normally do with rice. I wouldn't normally add in white pepper, but I've seen a couple of chefs do it recently in the takeaways, so thought I'd give it a try. Just a little bit more dark soy. That should be enough. Splash of a teaspoon of light soy. Back in with the egg. I'm just going to cook this through for a couple of minutes. Make sure that egg is well blended into that rice. And that's how easy it is to do egg fried rice. Let me know in the comments below the video if you have any sort of added ingredients to this, or if you do it in a different way. I'm an amateur cook, not a chef. I'm always eager to learn. If I like it, as long as it's okay with you, I'll feature it on the cooking channel. There you go, nice, quick and simple dish to make. It is absolutely delicious. This is sort of my go-to recipe for egg fried rice now. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.